Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to draw very cute little kitty. We start with the head. And we will draw a top of the head as well. Now little ears curved on the top. Little triangles inside the ears. Okay. Maybe extend a little bit here. And now we will draw a body, and the body will be shorter than the head, approximately till here. Just one line here and the sides. Okay, now we will add little paws. Like this. Add some lines here. And also we will draw a tail. Everything is in very simple shapes. Now we can draw a face. Two round eyes here. Circles inside. And the smaller circles for highlights. Okay. If you want, you can add eyelashes. Now we will draw a nose, just a tiny oval in the middle. And a little curve for a smile. Now we can color our kitty. I will speed up the process. Check the end of the video to see the final result. Alright, here is our kitty. It is super cute and it was very easy to draw. You can always add more details to this drawing, for example cute collar, or maybe pink bow, or maybe you can even try to color it to look the same as your cat. Ours is white, for example. Okay, I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Bye bye!